This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So we'll after some time we'll come to what the kind of work you do, what is the scope. But since students are primarily our audience, one thing we want to ask is your struggles as a student, because if you can share that, I'm sure it's going to resonate with the audience while doing the CS course.
Okay. Struggle, I guess every person, every student who has cleared CS has definitely gone through that struggle. And for most of us, the pain point has always been the tax and accounting related subjects. So somewhere this notion has gone flowed on that CS is a theory subject. So in fact, even for me, when this faculty of mine was trying to impress me, he was also talking about CA and CS, and then he said there is more of accounts there. This is more of law, more of theory. I said, okay, good, let me take up CS. That's how I eventually ended up doing CS. It's theory, but then that's a wrong notion. That's a very wrong notion. Every subject would become difficult if we don't understand why it is there. My struggle with exams also was for the fact that used to always open the book and say, why customs when I'm actually not going to do customs once I get qualified? Why struggle over service tax when I'm not going to do that? Whether I'm in employment or practice is a second part of it, but these are things which we don't encounter on a daily basis. Even today, I don't. Not that I do more of taxation and accounts work. So that was one thing why we were not too much inclined towards, and that's why we were not able to study. And that's where the struggle begins. So struggle plus having done graduation and then coming to this course, so you're away from college, sitting at home. I mean, just imagine a typical Indian middle class family. Your son has already completed graduation. Rest of them are earning good, handsome 30, 40 thanks to the placements. And this boy is just sitting at home. कर क्या रहा है? पढ़ रहा है. क्या पढ़ रहा है? कंपनी सेक्रेटरी. उसके लिए भी पढ़ाई करना है क्या? Is the question which you have to come. So
Yes,
a
yes,
struggle
yes.
was multifaceted. I mean, in terms of letting friends, family know what the course is about. Today, in fact, thanks things have changed, but then back then it was not that very. We always ended up saying that you know what is a CA somewhere close by. So that
Correct,
again
correct.
was something which kept us one step behind. So that my struggle essentially was again only about the stuff of
So,
how
do
to
you
do.
feel it was worth the struggle? Because very often students give up during the struggling days as a student. So, right now that you've been in practice for, I think, about 4 to 5 years now, what do you feel about the days as a student now? Is it all worth it, or what are your thoughts?
It is very much worth it. It is worth to put that struggle because today I know for a fact that uh, what I should not be doing in life. I may not have learned too much while as a student, while as interning, of how to lead a life and what to do, but I certainly have learned what I should be avoiding in life. For example, customs, for example, or excise, for example. We never paid a heed of what it is and what it is not. I mean, just studied from scanner, paper pattern studied, and we were through with the exam. However, there were certain concepts. Now today, as a company secretary, the employees of those companies where I'm advising them are reaching out to us and asking, "Sir, how do you treat this ESOP in my payslip?" Because you are giving me a ESOP of a company whose valuation is running up to 20,000 per share. At that price, if I have to get it, whatever my salaries will go off in the tax itself. I'm like, oh,
Yes.
now I need to talk to a CA who can help me here. But these are the places where we have quickly learned up because we are in practice. So it's worth the struggle. We need to put that effort, and then yes, you will become some total professional only if you go through that struggle.